Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system readiness. Check OS version, 64-bit requirements, and available RAM. Once done, quit browsers and heavy apps to free resources. Next, download the official Live Wallpaper installer and a compatible wallpaper file. Use MP4 or WebM for smooth motion. Make sure the download comes from a trusted source. Verify file size and type. Now run the installer as administrator and allow permissions when prompted. This establishes background service and system hooks needed to display animated wallpaper. Once the app is installed, launch it and grant any driver or firewall permissions. You will pick a performance profile. Choose balance to start. Switch to high only if your GPU handles it. Now import your downloaded wallpaper and set loop, start/stop triggers, and whether audio plays. Make sure to assign the wallpaper to the correct monitor if you use multiple displays. Adjust FPS or resolution limits to 30 or 60 to balance quality and power. Save this profile so you can reload it instantly. To finish, test how the wallpaper behaves at startup. Enable auto start only after it runs stably. Make final tweaks. Lower resolution or FPS if you notice stutter, and disable audio to save CPU. If the wallpaper doesn't appear, restart the app service or log out and back in. Reapply the saved profile. One key troubleshooting tip: if display becomes black or unresponsive, switch to a static wallpaper, stop the live service. Then update your GPU drivers before re-enabling the animated background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.